Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Let it snow. Let it snow. That's a big snow, man. I can't ride my electric bike, and today is the best time to test the drive modes of Citroen C5 Aircross, because it has an intelligent drive mode for sand, dirt and snow, and that's based on the front wheel drive only, not even four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive. So we'll see how it performs. I've tested its dirt mode. I've driven it in dirt and muddy areas, and it was just like driving a four-wheel drive, but never tried on the snow. And today we have snow to try it and see how the intelligent drive modes behave. I wish I had that snowmobile we had before, right? That could have been fun. Okay, yeah, get warm inside. Outside is really cold. So, welcome to the interiors of my Citroen C5 Aircross. We have everything in digital now. We can even switch to whatever we want, minimum modes. We have dials, which actually not are the dials, just the kind of more minimum mode. Navigation, if you want to see, while driving, you want to see here. And we have personal mode. Where is my personal mode? Here. So I have all the information and other stuff. And here we have the drive modes. So we're gonna drive on snow mode today and see how it goes. Come on, kiddies, come in. Let's drive and see how it goes. Already feel slippery. I have not engaged the drive mode yet, the snow mode yet. Auto wipers on. And put it on adaptive drive snow mode.
So you do not slip?
It's already slippy.
How do you wear this too? I should wear this.
So far feels really good. This is nothing. This snow is nothing actually for the adaptive drive mode. We'll wait for some thicker snow, and then we'll see if the adaptive drive mode works really good or not. Aha, absolute braking system, ABS, EBDS, I don't know how many things are here. Everything should be working today. And Riverside? Why this side? Riverside is easier. Basically, with the adaptive drive modes, the snow mode, when I push the accelerator, the car doesn't shoot with slipping wheels. It actually feels like that it has nice grip on the road. It's not slipping. And I will turn off the adaptive snow mode. Aha, see? Now I can see the car is slipping around. So adaptive snow mode does work. What is wrong with you, baby? Okay, we will put it on snow mode anyway. Why he's going the wrong way?
Maybe he thinks here is dangerous for his car.
Yeah, with the adaptive snow mode, accelerating up there's no slipping of tires, car doesn't move left, right, doesn't slip around. It feels like it's locked in. Nice, man. Nice decision for this car. When we were buying this car, mommy said, don't buy this adaptive snow mode, it's more expensive, let's buy the cheaper version. And I said, hey, when you want to buy a Citroen C5 Aircross, you better buy something that has the drive mode. So if we have snowfall, at least we can enjoy driving it in snow mode, or when we have dirt in dirt mode. So now we know it really actually works. The car is feeling really locked in.
One question. Why the road does not have snow? Why there have snow?
Because a lot of people driving around. So now we are not in snow mode because there's no snow here. We're driving normal mode.